Hi, Mrs. Romito here for another installment of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today we're going to be talking about citing sources, specifically using APA style. So why is it important that we cite sources? Well, first of all, blanket reason, honor code violations. You want to avoid plagiarism, and the best way to do that is to properly cite your sources using in-text citation and quotations, as well as citing sources at the end of your assignments if you used any outside resources outside of our learning management system. And it's important to give credit where credit is due. Somebody worked really hard to research this information and present it, and you need to give them that credit. Now, how do we do this? In our courses, in our science courses, you need to be using APA style citations. And I'm going to include a link below to link you to the Purdue University Online Writing Lab, also known as Purdue OWL. And additionally, APA style is widely used. It's used by professionals, researchers, students, including fields like education and business. If you get more in depth into like medical journal writing, you'll use other types of citations, but hopefully you'll be far enough along in your educational career that it will be easy to transition from different styles of writing and citations. So again, you probably learned MLA citations previously in your English courses. You need to be working on your APA citations in your science class. And APA citations are going to look similar to this. So again, I'm going to include this style guide link below to Purdue University OWL, and it will tell you how to format your APA papers, how to include in-text citations, and how to reference them in your citations at the end of your paper. And again, remember, it's always important to give credit where credit is due. And if you are struggling with paraphrasing, check out my paraphrasing video.